Welcome to the food place. If you're new here, you're welcome. But for those of you that have been following me for quite some time now, I'm sure you're familiar with this face right here, right? Yes, this is Oge's kitchen. Did you see our abacha video? The link up here will take you to that video and you can watch it step by step. Although I've read a lot of comments about it, asking me where is ogiri, where is this, where is that, I know that we're actually trying to work with what we can get here because we're actually not in Nigeria. But anyway, that's a story for another day. So today we're actually not cooking. Yes, but at the same time, you can actually say it can be categorized under cooking, but we are baking. Yeah, so today I'll just allow my friend Oge here to tell us what she has for us. I'll be right back.
Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Thank you again, The Food Place, for this collaboration. Today we'll be learning how to make banana bread, and these are the ingredients used. So to make banana bread, the first thing you do is to set your oven at 325. So we're going to preheat our oven to 325 bake. Next, we mix our dry ingredients. So I have my 2 cups of all-purpose flour, the nutmeg, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Now with my wooden spatula, I'm going to mix it all together. Now we'll set this aside for right now and on to the other ingredients. So in a separate bowl, you put in your sugar and your butter. And we're going to churn this for a little bit. Make sure the butter is melted to make it easy. As you can see, I have a little bit of butter left. It's a good idea to grease your pan at this time. I'm going to use the butter that's left over to grease my pan, and the purpose of this is to make sure that you don't have it stick when you bake your bread. Not too much butter, but enough so that the edges are well greased up, and we'll set it aside. Okay, now that it's all greased up, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour and shake it around. Again, this is to prevent it from sticking. Whatever's left over, you just tip it out into the trash. Alright, our pan is ready. Now, in our bowl, we're going to churn this sugar and butter. You stir it until it's nice and fine for about 2 to 3 minutes. And why we use brown sugar is because it gives it that nice, wonderful smell versus just the white sugar. Okay? This looks good already. We're going to do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we're going to go to our bananas. I'm going to use 3 bananas, extra ripe. Now you know those bananas that have spots on them when you're like, I need to throw it out. You know what? The next time you think about throwing it out, why not use it to make banana bread? And that's actually what inspired me to start making banana bread. Next, I'm going to pour in my secret ingredient, which is the lemon juice. And then we're going to mash it till it's soft. I'm going to mash it a little bit more. And then once you're done, we're going to pour the banana into the sugar and butter and mix it all together. It's okay if you have little chunks, they're gonna melt away in the oven. At this point, we're going to add our 2 eggs. Our milk and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I think if you don't want it to be too sweet, you're okay to add with adding 1 teaspoon. Since our bananas are extra ripe, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to mix this together. You can smell that delicious cakey flavor already that the vanilla extract gives to it. Okay, we're going to mix this for 1 minute. And then we're going to add our dry ingredients gently. Once you add this in, you mix slowly so that your dough won't be too hard, so it still has that moist feeling. You just gently work in your flour, dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. The consistency you want, it's not much of a bread dough, it's a little like a cake dough, but thick enough that once it's fully baked, you have that bread feeling. We're going to work this in for about 1 to 2 minutes, gently from side to side. I'm going to taste to see if all my ingredients have blended in beautifully. Again, if you see little chunks for the banana, don't worry about it. It will dissolve once it gets in the oven. As you can see, my oven is ready. I'm going to taste this. Wow, it tastes amazing. I can taste the flavor of the nutmeg and the vanilla extract. It's tasting awesome already. Now we're ready to pour this into our greased up and floured cake pan. One little thing I like to do at the end, I like to give it a funny shape or an actual zigzag so that once it comes out baked, it has like a little special touch to it. So I'll show you how to do that in a minute. To make sure I get all my mixture in, I'll use a spatula. And this is about where you want your bread to be because it's going to rise. Remember, we use baking powder and baking soda. So once it rises, it's going to fill up the pan. So you don't want to fill up the mixture to the brim. Okay? It smells so delicious already. So now that I have everything in, like I told you, I spread it out and I make a little zigzag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when the bread is baked, it kind of has a nice shape to it. Okay? Now we're ready to go in the oven. This goes in the oven and it's baked for 1 hour. Some people bake for 1 hour and 10 minutes, but at the 1 hour point, we're going to bring it out and test it. You can use a timer right now and click so that you know when the 1 hour time has gone. So we're going to pop it in the oven and we'll be back soon. When you put it in the oven, make sure you put it right in the middle, center of the oven, so it cooks evenly. And we'll be right back. Hi guys! So our banana bread is ready 1 hour later. Look at what we have here. Wow. I told you, it's one of those recipes you mix, you throw in the oven, and you're doing other things, cleaning, washing the dishes, and 1 hour later you have this delicious treat for your family. Now to end this all up, you're going to use a regular knife and use all around the edges. So it's going to allow you to tip the bread out. Wow, look at that smooth bread feel. And this can get you about 10 slices of banana bread. if you want to cut, you make sure you use a bread knife. See, it's nice and crunchy on the edges, and when we cut it open, look at that. Wow, that banana. Look at what it gives you. Absolutely amazing. This can get you like 10 to 12 slices for your family. It's hot, it's moist. We're gonna do a tasting in a minute. Look at that steam coming out. You can eat it with tea, with coffee. You can throw in some scrambled eggs on the side for a quick breakfast for your kids. It's an amazing recipe for every home.
Hi!
Hello, our banana bread is ready.
It smells really good in here.
Thank you.
Okay, so now it's time to taste our banana bread. I've got a slice here. I wish I have a sprinkle of honey or something. But let's taste it.
This if you want to go all out. You can have it with some ice cream. Just throw it on top. Oh, it's gonna be so yummy. If it's a morning and you're in a rush, you can have it with your cup of coffee, some tea, some hot cocoa, and you're set for the day. How does that taste? It's a happy medium between bread and cake.
Yeah. And it's very moist. I mean, very, very moist.
And the little ones love that bread because it's not really bread, but it's not really cake. So you can give them in the morning and they're ready to go out. Happy and jolly as ever.
Hope you enjoyed seeing Oge's Kitchen's face one more time. She taught us how to make a delicious and moist banana bread. Till next time, remember to subscribe if you haven't. I have other videos up here. Stay blessed and choose wisely. Bye.